You want to avoid those at all costs. You want to try to aim for something soft at an angle. HEADONCRASH. If you have to hit something, you want to hit something that's soft, a bush, never a tree. Next, when you're backing out, savvy drivers will look over their shoulder and put their left hand at the top, T-O-P, at the top of the steering wheel, and you look out your back window. You can't rely on a 5-inch, 7-inch, or 10-inch screen because little kids are lower than the bumper and you will run them over. So we have to be mindful of little kids because they don't understand the dangers of a car backing up. Savvy drivers have good hand placement. There is 10 and 2. There's 9 and 3. There's 7 and 5. AAA is an automotive authority in the United States. They recommend 7 and 5. We know there is an airbag in the middle of the steering wheel. And if you hold your steering wheel improperly, upon impact, the airbag will deploy by breaking your thumbs. We're not trying to break our thumbs. We're trying to control the car in a comfortable, stable way. So in the event of an evasive maneuver where you have to turn and drive really fast, you have that control.